Thank you for joining Alex O Crypto. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter Gang. We out here. Now what's gonna happen? We can see the blue line represents the meeting, the news, what's coming our way very soon. We can see that we have this big push upwards. Can we go higher? 18K or 15K? Which way are we going? Well, right now we're heading up. We got the prices, we got the levels, we're coming to you daily. So thank you for checking out the channel. Remember that a trade you say, yes, a trade we say. The Otter Gang, we gave the setup today for the XRP trade. We got a 35%er, a quick little scalp sent in the Discord. So don't forget to click that link in the description below. Join the Discord. We're making profits out here. We also have a wrecked column. So in case you've been thinking that we're just going to talk about moons and Lambos, we're realistic here. We're trying to extract profits from the markets. We're not staring at our computers. Well, sometimes we are staring at our computers like this guy for the past 3 minutes and hoping that the Bitcoin price moves in the direction that we're hoping it will, rather than having a plan and having some beautiful sleep like the otters here. The otters are just raking in the money. So shout out to you guys. Let's get into the charts. Too much talking. Right into it. So what do we got here? Well, we can see we got the move up. We got the levels. We got the prices. We got it all for you guys here. And we can see that we've had, in my opinion, a slow crawl up since we've pushed above the 1750 mark. Now, this is a very important level of support now that we have gotten above. We shot up here, as you can see, with this push, and now we are slowly crawling up to my target here at 17,550 area, right? I also have this area above marked, which is the 786 Fibonacci retracement at 17,909. Now, why am I looking at these areas? Where can we go from here? Well, we pull the fibs. We can see that right now, trending upwards in this channel, right? 1, 2, 3. Can we get a move down? Well, that's what we're going to talk about. But you see this beautiful blue line here. That's called news, my friends. And that's inflation, and that's a CPI, and that's a very important date. So if you don't have it marked, make sure to do so. Go over to economic calendar, tradingeconomics.com/calendar. You can mark it out. This is the U.S. time, so at Thursday at 8:30 a.m., you will be seeing this inflation rate, and you know what? We could see a positive result. Now, how will it affect the charts? Will I be trading it? Of course I'll be trading. I'll be watching at least, because it's like fireworks. It's exciting, but we're trying not to FOMO here, because we know that we don't want to go to the therapist and say I didn't control my emotions trading today and I lost, right? So we're trying to come with a plan. That's why we tune in here. That's why we have price and levels, and we look for certain confluences throughout our charts in order to make a very healthy decision when making trades. Now, what is my healthy thought? See, I had an alarm set up here. We came up and we hit the alarm, and I was waiting to see if we would continue upwards. So don't forget to set alarms if you're busy, because I'm a carpenter by trade. I'm not able to check the charts all the time. So what we do is we set alerts when price comes up just a little bit before the zone that we're waiting for, and I'm going to move this up just a little bit more, right? And I'll save that, right? Just so I'm ready, right? So can we come up? Well, that's the way we're trending. So I would expect higher until we get into this zone. Now, will it come back down? Well, we have this retracement zone right here. If we go down to the 12-minute, get into the nitty-gritty, and we zoom in, we can zoom out here. We can pull the fibs from down below, right at this wick here, up to this one here. And we can see that just before here, we have a golden pocket. So if I am looking for an entry for a long position, now, would it be okay to get in here? Yes, with confluence, right? If you're looking for a bullish divergence coming down here with lower lows and, a higher low here, right? We can look for these things on our charts at these levels, right? At these levels. So this is an area I'd be looking for another entry to add to my long. Possibly. Now, these are just ideas, right? We can also see that with this big uptrend, we didn't get the biggest retrace. So can we pull this from here? Yes, we can, right? Depends on what signs the charts give us. As the charts present itself, we will be ready to trade these levels, right? But right now, my thoughts are we're going to go up, right? We're going to go up. Where and how high? Well, that's all dependent. Like if I zoom out right here and I go into this beautiful range that we've been in so far, and I pull, just a basic volume profile, and I look at this range, right? And I can see that we're at the value area high right here, and we're trading above, right? We're trading above the value area high or just on it, right? So I can see that there's a couple of confluences here with my other prices. My other prices, here you go. We'll get them up on the charts for you guys. So with my price at 17,558, there's a bit of volume here, just a little bit before what? Before we move all the way up here. Now I'm going to drag back this beautiful fixed range volume profile to here, and we can see that bingo bango, there's a big volume gap in here, and we're literally on the cusp, right? We're on the cusp of it. And if we do get a move up in this area right here, if we do get a move up in this area right here, that we're going to surely go up and challenge the bottom of this range, right? Surely we would move up quickly into the bottom of the range, right? And that's just around 18,900 and a bit higher, right? So let's be prepared for that. Let's not FOMO in. Right now, I'm feeling bullish. The market sentiment, let's be clear, is still bearish. We are still in a downtrend overall when we zoom out, right? So I'm still bearish. I'm looking for a short entry. But I have to have confluence. I have to have exhaustion. I have to have certain things that come on my chart that tell me that, hey, this might be a good time to short, right? Otherwise, I'm not taking it. Not my party, not my game. What I will look for, though, is maybe we can have a retracement where I can add to my long. I have taken profits in that long. I'll let it ride out. I'll sleep nice like a baby tonight because that's what we do here. We take profits early. We let the trade ride out, and we see where it will go, and we take profits along the way. Now, with this news, let's be prepared, and let's know that Ethereum is making higher highs as well. Matic is also getting up there, right? So we got to know that these things that run alongside, we're getting up to key resistance as well on Matic. We're getting up to key resistance as well on Ethereum. These are all make or break areas in these charts, right? So all of them could have a quick move up if we do have the volume, the keyword volume, to get above, right? Now, the volume has picked up recently, so be aware and be careful out there. Remember to practice good risk management. That's what we are about, right? If I'm going to short here, I'm going to have, I'll tell you, a pretty tight stop loss, right? I'm not going to let this thing ride up here because if we do, we know we're getting stopped out, right? If I am wrong, I'm okay to be wrong a bit, right? But we don't want to add to the wrecked wall on the Discord channel, okay? We don't want to break any records there. We want to have nice short stop losses and understand that a stop loss is there to admit that you're wrong in order to make better profits in the next one. If we have short stop losses and we're right, most of the time we're going to be profitable, right? And the whole thing is preserving that capital and remaining humble and taking those good confluence trades. So this is me. I hope you're all doing well, and it's going to be an interesting end of the week. I will be going live for this. It will be at 12:30 a.m. right at night in the morning for me. But guess what? Otter Gang, we're out here. Alex O'Crypto, I'm here for you. I love you all. Thank you so much to all of you who've supported this channel. I really do deeply appreciate it. I'm grateful to all of you. God bless and have a good morning/evening/day. Take care. Peace out.